Looking for a kitchen appliance that does it all? The top 5 best air fryer toaster oven in this year combines versatility, speed, and healthier cooking in one compact design. Perfect for baking, roasting, toasting, or air frying, it saves time and delivers delicious results every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile multi-cooker that goes beyond traditional air frying by offering a wide selection of cooking options. With 25 preset programs including ribs, pizza, roast, toast, slow cook, and more, this model simplifies meal preparation for both quick snacks and large family dinners. One of its standout features is the toast function, which automatically shuts off at the end of the timer, ensuring perfectly browned toast without burning. The color-changing indicator light further adds convenience, signaling the progress of your food. Its dual-speed fan ensures crisp and golden results by circulating 360 degrees superheated air, which makes fried favorites healthier without sacrificing crunch. The 26-quart capacity is ideal for medium to large households with enough space to rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza. Designed with stainless steel and elegant French doors that open with one pull, it not only adds sophistication to your kitchen, but also offers functionality, with an interior light that allows you to monitor food while it cooks. Whether you are hosting a gathering or just preparing dinner for the family, this air fryer toaster oven is a reliable addition that elevates your cooking game with ease, consistency, and style. Number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers exceptional cooking versatility with its premium 1800-watt power and wide range of functions. This model is built for more than just air frying, offering convection bake, toast, broil, grill, and warming settings, making it an all-in-one solution for various cooking needs. With its spacious interior, it can toast up to 6 slices of bread, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for family-size meals or entertaining guests. Its operation is designed for precision and convenience, featuring an adjustable temperature dial that ranges from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector to suit different preferences. Equipped with Air Advantage technology, it ensures optimized airflow for crispy textures and even cooking results, which means your chicken wings or fries come out perfectly golden without excessive oil. Cleaning is also simplified with its stainless steel Easy Clean interior and non-stick accessories. The package includes an oven rack, baking pan, drip tray, air fry basket, and a reversible grill/griddle for expanded cooking possibilities. Cuisinart's reputation for durability and performance is evident in this air fryer toaster oven, making it a dependable choice for households seeking quality, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you want to air fry healthier meals, bake family favorites, or prepare snacks quickly, this model balances power with user-friendly features for consistent results. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven stands out for its unique design and space-saving innovation, making it a great option for kitchens with limited counter space. Unlike bulky models, it flips up against your backsplash after use, reclaiming 50% more space. Despite its compact footprint, it offers impressive cooking capacity, handling a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or up to 4 pounds of ingredients at once. Its 8-in-1 functionality covers all the essentials, including air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and even dehydration for homemade snacks. The Oven Crisp technology, which combines infrared heating with rapid circulating air, ensures even cooking across all surfaces for perfectly brown results. One of its greatest strengths is efficiency. It can prepare family meals in as little as 20 minutes while using up to 80% less energy compared to traditional ovens. It's also highly effective at reducing fat, delivering crispy fried foods with up to 75% less oil than deep frying. This makes it not only a healthier option, but also a faster, more convenient way to cook meals for small families or busy households. The sleek design, combined with the practicality of folding away, makes it a stylish yet functional choice. For those who prioritize both performance and space efficiency, the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a standout appliance that balances versatility, healthier cooking, and modern design. Number 4. COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a feature-rich appliance designed to simplify cooking for families with its 12 versatile functions. From air frying and roasting to broiling and baking, it replaces multiple kitchen gadgets with one sleek stainless steel unit. Its generous 26-quart capacity allows you to prepare meals large enough for the whole family, whether that's toasting 6 slices of bread, baking a 12-inch pizza, or roasting a whole 5-pound chicken. With 6 heating elements and a dual-speed fan, it delivers rapid heat circulation, ensuring evenly cooked food in less time. One of its standout features is smart connectivity. By pairing with the VE Sync app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control cooking settings hands-free and access a wide range of recipes to stay inspired. This makes it not only practical, but also fun for home chefs looking to expand their skills. The oven also comes with several helpful accessories, including an oven rack, food tray, fry basket, crumb tray, and recipe book, all designed to make cooking easier. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to its external removable crumb tray and non-stick food tray. Built with durable stainless steel, it blends well with any kitchen decor while offering long-lasting performance. Whether you are cooking everyday meals or preparing something special for the holidays, the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven brings convenience, smart features, and reliable results to your kitchen, making it one of the most advanced options available. Number 5. Beelicious Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Beelicious Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a powerhouse appliance built for those who want to cook full meals without compromise. With its 28-quart capacity and 3-layer rack design, it eliminates the need for batch cooking by allowing you to prepare a full dinner in one go, such as a 12-inch pizza, 36 wings, and veggies all together. Its cooking precision is enhanced by 6 heating elements and advanced heat-wave convection technology, which ensures even heating from top to bottom, preventing cold spots and uneven results. This oven offers 12 one-touch functions, ranging from air fry and toast to broil, roast, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, replacing the need for multiple small appliances. Precision is another key feature, with accurate temperature controls ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring meals are cooked to perfection without guesswork. It also excels at air frying, delivering the same crisp taste you love with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying. Beyond performance, the Beelicious Pro comes with a full set of accessories, including a rotisserie spit, lift, fry basket, wire rack, bake pan, and crumb tray, so you have everything you need right out of the box. Its design prioritizes convenience, performance, and healthier cooking, making it an excellent choice for larger families or those who enjoy entertaining. For anyone seeking a reliable, all-in-one oven that delivers on both capacity and functionality, the Beelicious Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a strong contender that offers consistent, delicious results with less effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.